Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the best brightness settings for TCL Android TV. So to change the brightness settings, you can simply go on the remote on the settings right here. So on the remote, you can click on settings. So from here, you can go to the picture settings right here. And in the picture setting, you can see my brightness currently is on 100%. And this is the default setting, which works great. So if I tone it down, as you can see, it will get a bit less brighter. So if you like a higher brightness, you can simply keep it on 100. But if you want a lower brightness, you can tone it down as well. You can also go to the advanced settings as well. From here, you can go to the brightness setting and change the contrast and black stretch as well. So black stretch is going to change your blacks. So if I go to black stretch high, it is going to keep my blacks on a higher profile. And you can also change the dynamic contrast. Dynamic contrast will give you a better contrast, and you can change all of the other settings related to your brightness as well, like clarity. If you want more sharper image, you can simply increase the clarity as well. So this is how you change the brightness settings, and this is the best brightness settings that TCL Android TV has. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.